Jackson County, there's been reports of a cockadoodle producer waking up Jackson County residents. If you have any clues, please contact the authorities immediately.
One of you woke me up, but who? One of you likes to speak up, but who? Who could it be? I don't have all the facts. Could you help me please figure it out? 'Cause I don't have all the clues. So kids, can you help me find Mr. Rooster? Is that him? If it walks like a duck and it quacks like a duck, then it's probably a duck, and you know it's not a rooster anymore. If it scurries like a squirrel and it's always trying to burrow, then it's probably a squirrel, and you know it's not a rooster anymore. And if it leaps like a frog and it's resting in a bog, then it's probably a frog, and you know it's not a rooster anymore.
Maybe it's that feathered foe.
His name is Mr. Rooster. He's a cockadoodle producer. His name is Mr. Rooster. He's a cockadoodle producer. Have you seen him? Have you seen him? If it swings like a monkey and it smells kind of funky, then it's probably a monkey, and you know it's not a rooster anymore. If it hops like a rabbit and it has a carrot habit, then it's probably a rabbit, and you know it's not a rooster anymore. If it struts like a lion and the other animals are crying, then it's probably a lion, and you know it's not a rooster anymore. But if it wakes you up at dawn with its cockadoodle song, then it's probably been a rooster all along.